Welcome on YouTube, you know it's your boy Click Man and you tune in to Click React. I just seen the video. I don't know how I'm so late to this, but Ishowspeed meeting Ronaldo. So that's what we're gonna be reacting to today, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about the meeting in Ronaldo. Tell me how you think this experience went for him, man. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright. I didn't know Ronaldo had a black bodyguard. This is so funny because Ronaldo would never do this shit. Low key in this little section, it does kind of look like him, I guess. Definitely wouldn't dress like that.
Where is he? Who want to introduce to you? Don't open your eyes, okay? Don't.
All right, man. This nigga looks like Ronaldo at age 70. This guy's face is. It looks like it had been hit with Botox the size of rocks. It's kind of crazy.
Open your eyes. Who is it? Don't open your eyes.
If he believes this shit,
Don't open your eyes.
Speed, welcome.
Fuck is wrong with this guy, bro?
Ronaldo!
Yo, these guys are so dumb. You damn well know that's not Ronaldo. One look at this man and you know that's not Ronaldo.
Give him a hug, give him a hug.
He's so loud. What's wrong with this young man? A man in the comments said fake W. Oh my god.
Thank you for telling us.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Ronaldo.
You wanna buy?
Thank you.
Alright, I know he's heard Ronaldo's voice. That is not Ronaldo's voice.
Rito. Yeah.
This dude's a really good actor. I'll give it to him.
Say hi to the class.
You so low, bro. We made it happen, guys. Paradox Crypto to the moon.
Hello everybody.
Oh, this was also a part of that video where they said something about the cryptocurrency. Right? They said something about the cryptocurrency where he was like saying it's a scam or something. I guess I don't know if it's gonna be in this highlight of it, but
Sorry, dog. No, I'm not away.
He's stealing up too.
Ronaldo would slap the shit out of him for acting like that in front of him. Ronaldo.
Nah, stop.
You have to do the suey for him, man.
Okay, of course. You
Yeah.
Bro, if he fucks this shit up.
You want the suey?
want?
Yeah.
Come
Come on,
on.
Speed. Yo.
That's the weakest Sue I've ever seen.
Come on, Speed.
Everything about this fake Ronaldo is pissing me off.
Speed is cool.
Cause you know what? I guarantee you there's a better Ronaldo out there somewhere.
No, it's okay, okay. Don't be bullshit.
Look at his hairline.
Come on.
Do they know who Ronaldo is?
He really
I know,
loves
I
you.
know, I know. He love Ronaldo. I know. Come on, Speed.
This like even his style. This is not Ronaldo, bro. You know what fresh Ronaldo is? Not gonna lie, the mannerisms are very close, like to what you would see Ronaldo in an interview, I guess, with his hands on his side. How like I don't know, but he don't look like him.
You want to see I told you?
Paradox Crypto, come on, get off your knees. Come on, man.
They're really shouting out Paradox Crypto.
We made it happen. We made it
Even to get Ronaldo in that shirt, bro. You know how much money you'd have to pay him to wear that shit?
happen.
Remember when he at the what was it? The press conference, he removed the Pepsi can and put a water there.
Made it happen. Ronaldo,
The man's all about his money.
By the way, do you know who I am?
You didn't,
Ronaldo, do you know who I am?
I know, Speed.
bro. One thing I don't know if you know, Ronaldo wouldn't be deaf. I don't know why he's screaming in the man's face.
Ah, you know Speed! You know Speed! Ah, yo! This is it! Suey, baby! Suey! Bro! Suey! Ronaldo is here, baby!
Ronaldo. A man in the comments said Ronaldo from Ohio.
Suey in the chat, dog! I fucking love you, bro. Hold on, wait, bro. Can we do the Suey together, bro? Alright,
Yeah,
cool.
of course.
Let's make it safe for you.
Let's
Yo,
make
bro,
it
I'm gonna
safe.
do this for
Let's
so
make it
long,
safe.
bro.
Yeah, together.
You ready, everyone? On the count of three.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yo, bro, how did y'all do this, bro? Bro, we got you. We got you.
Yo, I know he's seen how nasty this nigga is, where he likes to pick his nose and that shit. Ronaldo would not be dapping up this man like that.
We put in some strings. We know you've been looking forward to meeting him, and you've gone up and down the country looking for him. And we just have to make it happen. Like, I hope you're excited, man.
Hope we made your day, huh?
What? That?
Yeah? So you know who he is?
Yeah, I know him. This is Speed.
I know him. It's Speed.
Let's go in a bit so the mic can hear us. Let's go in so the mic
Yo,
can hear
you
us.
should sing. He should sing. He should have sang his song.
Get him a chair, bro.
That's what he should have done. Sang the song.
Bro, this is actually like, bro, like, are y'all tripping?
This is real.
Swearing in front of Ronaldo like that. How dare him?
This is so weird, bro.
Man said
Bro,
Finaldo.
this is like,
Bro, you're sweating.
no, okay, like,
Yo, I'm dead.
this is, okay, I'm sorry if I'm acting real, Ronaldo. I've been talking to Junior for a long
I
ass
said
time.
no, it's okay.
I've been
Yo,
talking
bro,
to
everything
Junior for a
about this
long
guy's
ass
pissing
time,
me
like,
off.
Literally for a long, very time.
Bro, this is the
I've been like
ugliest
this for a
Ronaldo
long-
impersonation. Yo, you know what this reminds me of? You remember that statue that they unveiled of Ronaldo where his face was like upside? This is him. This is who they made the statue of. Look at Speed, bro. He's such a weird you, bro.
Out tomorrow, 11 a.m.
Oh, so I see.
You guys have a board.
I see. So this whole thing was for Paradox. I guess they were just launching because he said out tomorrow.
Is this actually, like, bro, are y'all, bro, it's him.
They paid this nigga hella money for this shit then. Not the fake Ronaldo,
That's
Speed,
him,
of course.
Like, that's Ronaldo. Like, this is, like, no, like, that's deadass Ronaldo.
Yes, that ass not. Look at him. Bro, I kid you not. This character of Ronaldo here looks just like that horrible statue. I'm gonna bring up the picture. I'm gonna bring up the picture in a sec.
You're making him shy, Speed.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What the Yeah, man. Look at this shit. Look at this shit and tell me this is not him. Why is Speed's face like that now?
Wait, speak Portuguese real quick.
Speak Portuguese. Yo, this guy is so dumb.
Oh, you want to speak Portuguese?
Yeah.
Speak Portuguese real quick.
Yo, you heard the man. You heard the man. Speak Portuguese.
Speak Portuguese real quick.
Bro, this is the statue. This is the
Speak Portuguese real quick.
You would never speak to Ronaldo like that.
So look, bro, there's no way.
Amio. He doesn't know how to speak Portuguese. He needs to know. He's asking them.
I mean, Speed wouldn't even know. So this guy is just a horrible fake.
No, I don't want. You want to be speak English?
No, he wants to speak English with you.
Where is this
Are you
accent from?
fucking serious, bro?
What's going on? Can you show us some tricks at least?
For him.
Bro, Finaldo doesn't play soccer. He doesn't play football.
Bro, there's no way. There's no way.
What's going on?
By the way, bro, just
Fake
yo,
stream.
just stand up and show me your trick real quick, okay?
Yeah.
How you want to show him?
Show me.
There's no way. There's no way this is happening. Just show me your tricks real quick. Show me your skills. Show me your skills.
Yo, this is actually killing me,
Show me your
bro.
skills.
Not in those tight ass pants. Yep, you're definitely not Ronaldo. Ronaldo would not use shoes as an excuse.
I can't because my shoes.
No, I mean,
Oh.
like just jump the ball, kick ups.
But I can't
The
because
fact that Americans call keep ups kick ups, it pisses me off.
Just
I don't have.
just dribble the ball, do something.
What do you mean? Like
Give us a step over, Ronaldo.
Like just do something.
this?
Bomba Yo, he need an Oscar for this shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. He just fucked up the TV screen for that. I'm sure he's making it back, but damn, he threw over a PlayStation and he punched the screen.
Speed. It's okay. What is going on, Ronaldo? Come on. It's okay. Take him out. Come on. Bro, what the fuck? What have you done?
Yeah.
What have you done?
You even talking to Ronaldo like that, trying to say what have you done? Like nobody would talk to Ronaldo like that. Come on, bro.
Come on.
Like it's so bad.
Why'd you do this? Show us some skills.
Bro, this guy really wants to be Ronaldo though. Like I see it in him. He wants to be Ronaldo.
I don't know.
No, I mean we know.
What's gonna happen?
It was, you ain't Ronaldo, bro.
Angry. He shot. Say
Buy Paradox crypto coin, 17th November.
You want to be speak Portugal or you want to be
First of all, I need to know where this nigga is from because I don't get the accent. Man says speak Portuguese and you still haven't spoken Portuguese, bro.
play with the football, the ball?
Man said yo do something. Man did a whip over because that's not a step over.
Maybe come back.
Bro, this guy is really trying to be Ronaldo. You see his posing and everything? I know he can't read the chat. Ronaldo not wearing no damn Apple Watch. Look at this guy. He's so weird looking, bro. I guess the downgraded version of anything is gonna look weird, right? Because we expect it to look a certain way. I'm not gonna lie, like certain times, except for his hairline, he kind of looks. Yo, what's wrong with this youth, bro?
Sorry, y'all, for getting too angry, bro. I really apologize, man. For getting a little angry, man. You know,
Really apologize.
I
Yo,
kind of got a little bit mad.
he's
you
so
know,
good
'cause
at what
I've
he
been,
does,
you know,
man.
wanted to be Ronaldo for a long time, you know.
Uh-huh.
And right here, you know, and he just keep laughing, you know, like he can't even keep the laughing.
Mm.
You can't even keep the laughing right here.
No, I'm not laughing.
No. Keep a straight face and look at the camera right now. Why? Like you? You know what? All right. You know what? I apologize for getting mad. You know what I'm saying?
No way
But, like,
you
what
would have
the-
thought that this man was Ronaldo.
I just have
Nobody
to do
would.
It, bro.
Hey, yo, honestly, if Ronaldo sees this, he should take this as disrespect. He should, because he's gonna pretend that he's taking it as, you thought that this man was. Look at this man, bro. Like, look at this man. Ronaldo should take this as disrespect
I just
for him to think that that was him. And that's how that went. I guess that's what meeting Finaldo does. Let me know what you guys think of this guy, man. Like, you think this guy would have tricked you? You think this Finaldo guy would have tricked you guys? Like, and apparently tricked Speed. But I'll catch you guys later, man. Peace.